Bonjour, hello, welcome to another video, Max Mountain World. I was just down to see if tonight's concert's still going because we've had a bit of a stormy afternoon, you could say. A lot of showers coming through here. So not too sure, but I did find they're doing something else maybe as well. I don't know if the concert's still a goer, but have a look at this. This is drone soccer. It's a very popular activity. They had this last week down in 1650, but I wasn't able to get down there, so you can see the crowds. So have we look at what's going on with this. I did this once before, but it was dark and it was very difficult to get the light right, so we'll be able to see more of what's happening now. So they're just setting up. There's a centre. There's another 2 drones coming there. We've got these 2 here as well. So I think it's 2 people versus 2 people, and the objective is to get your drone through the goal hole, which is there. So the blues are ready, the reds are ready, timer's on. Not much in the way of control here. Oh, hello. Wow. There's one. I don't know if they know which goal they're supposed to be doing. There's an attempt here, and no, not quite. Oh, take a run at it. No. Whoa. Yeah. That seems to be the popular goal across there. Oh, we got one there too. Just missed it. And whoa, we've got a faller. Yeah. This is chaotic to follow on the camera as well. They're just everywhere. Excusez-moi. Merci. I think the battery's dead. And on the same subject, we've got the recharging system here as well. Wow. Bit of an exercise doing the recharging here, I would say. What? Yeah. But loads of spare batteries, so they're not just charging one by one, they have a load of spares on the go. Because it takes longer to charge than it does to discharge when they're getting used. And it looks like the concert could be going ahead tonight as well. The chap is just setting stuff up behind, so time just now, just leaving 6 o'clock. And bonjour. And yeah, this finishes and then the guy will set up and then the concert starts. Hopefully I'll catch that this evening. So again, we're set up. I'll try and catch a better angle on this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Riders ready. and the clock getting reset too. Wow, one straight through. Yep. Another one through. You get a minute and a half at this apparently, or is it 2 minutes? They're trying to escape. Yeah. Oh, and another one here. They're just playing about at random. One through. So a bit of cleaning up going on after the storms. Yeah, it got a bit wet here. You can see the other tables just flooded out. But I've just spoken with the chap that's doing the concert this evening, and he says it's going ahead. Looks like it could stay dry, even though the clouds not looking that great, but everyone's studying the forecast. Okay, so that was just a couple of matches and some blah 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 after, and yeah, I'll have a quick closer look at their technical side here as well, and then I'll have a quick look on the way past this guy, as I say, is setting up just behind. So that's it. I'll do the rest a little bit more in the lead out. Thanks very much for watching. Bit of tuning going on, which I dare say is difficult with the drone noise in the background. But have a look at his guitars and one other instrument in a minute. So he's also tuning up a nice Stratocaster. A closer look. Those of you into guitars will tell me more, and no doubt. I have one viewer in particular that gives me a lot of feedback in this stuff. So, okay, back to the drones and the charging system. That will be later on the concert. So charging system in operation again. Just have a closer look. These are inside the cages. Lots of spare batteries. Okay, so next match is ready to go. I'm going to try and get a different angle here.
On appuie encore à droite pendant 3 secondes. Et lâche. Encore à droite. et il décolle et le match va commencer.
Alors que ça, t'allais te proposer de
Vous demandez ça au mais moi je le ferai deux. Alors c'est doucement, on fait des petits coups. On regarde bien son drone. La poussée de ce ballon dans le cercle, ça fait 2 buts en même temps.
40 seconds to go. Just one.
Tu feras pas les chatouilles, Max.
Hein?
Tu feras les chatouilles. Ah, pour ça.
Miaou. Alors, on va 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Et là, si on va à droite, on met le drone au sol. On va à droite, on met le drone au sol, attention.